Have you ever been knee-deep in a project, staring at a wall of sticky notes or a tangled spreadsheet, and wished there was a better way? A way to see everything, from the big picture down to the smallest task, all in one place. Maybe you've seen those slick, beautifully organized dashboards in Asana and thought, man, I wish Microsoft had something like that. Well, here's the thing, they do. In fact, they have a whole suite of tools designed to do exactly that. The landscape of Microsoft's project and task management tools can feel a bit like a maze. You have Planner, Project, To Do, and a whole bunch of other apps, and it's easy to get lost trying to figure out which one is the right fit. It's like walking into a hardware store looking for a wrench, only to be presented with a whole wall of pliers, screwdrivers, and hammers, all promising to get the job done. Today, we're cutting through the confusion. We're going to break down the Microsoft tool that most closely mirrors Asana, exploring its features, how it integrates with the rest of your digital life, and why it might be the perfect solution for your team. Spoiler alert, the answer isn't a single tool, but rather a powerful, newly integrated hub of tools. First, let's talk about Asana. Why do people love it? It's known for its intuitive visual interface. The ability to see your work in different views like a Kanban board, a list, or a timeline is a huge draw. It's fantastic for collaboration, with features for assigning tasks, setting due dates, and having conversations directly on a task card. The automation capabilities and customizable workflows make it a go-to for teams that need to manage complex projects without getting bogged down in administrative tasks. Asana strikes a balance between simplicity and power. It's accessible enough for a small team managing a simple marketing campaign, but robust enough for a large organization handling a multi-phase product launch. So, when you look for a Microsoft Asana, you're looking for a tool that offers a similar mix of visual planning, collaborative features, and workflow management. The tool that fits this description best, and which Microsoft is increasingly focusing on, is Microsoft Planner. Now, before you say, wait, I've heard of Planner, isn't it just for simple stuff? Hear me out. Microsoft has been hard at work, not just improving Planner, but integrating it with other powerful tools to create a unified and more comprehensive experience. The newest version, often referred to as just Planner, is a significant step up. The core of Planner is its Kanban-style board. Just like in Asana, you can create a project or plan and then organize your tasks into customizable buckets. This visual layout makes it incredibly easy to see where everything stands. You can drag and drop tasks from to do to in progress to completed, giving everyone on the team an instant, at-a-glance status update. You can assign tasks to team members, add due dates, and attach files, all the essentials of task management. But where Planner starts to really look like a true Asana alternative is in its other views. You're not just stuck with the board. You can also view your tasks in a calendar or timeline view, allowing you to visualize project schedules and dependencies, which is a feature that has been greatly enhanced. This is a crucial feature for anyone who needs to understand the flow and timing of their work. Now, here's the game changer, integration. This is where Microsoft's ecosystem truly shines and where it can, for many users, surpass Asana. Planner isn't just a standalone app. It lives inside Microsoft 365, which means it's deeply connected to the tools you likely use every single day. Think about it. Microsoft Teams. Every project in Planner can have a corresponding Teams channel. You can add a Planner tab directly to your Teams workspace, so all the communication, files, and tasks for a project are in one central location. Team members can get notifications about task assignments and updates right in Teams, eliminating the need to jump between apps. Microsoft To Do. Planner tasks assigned to you automatically show up in your personal Microsoft To Do list. This is fantastic for personal productivity, as it consolidates all your work, whether it's from a shared team project in Planner or your own individual tasks, into one place. You never have to wonder what's on your plate for the day. Outlook. Tasks in Planner can be synced to your Outlook calendar, making it easy to block out time for specific projects and ensure deadlines don't sneak up on you. Power Automate. This is where the magic of automation happens. While Asana has its own automation rules, Power Automate takes it to a whole new level. You can create custom workflows that connect Planner to hundreds of other apps. For example, You could set up a flow that automatically creates a new task in Planner when a new email arrives in Outlook, or sends a notification to a specific Teams channel when a task is marked as completed. So, you see, Microsoft Planner isn't just a simple task board. It's a central hub that leverages the power of the entire Microsoft 365 suite. For teams that are already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem, using Planner means a smoother workflow and less friction. You're not adding yet another third-party app to your tech stack. You're just turning on a feature that's already there. Now, a word on Microsoft Project. You might be thinking, isn't Project the real Asana alternative? The simple answer is it's a different kind of tool. Microsoft Project is the heavyweight of the family. It's designed for professional project managers handling complex, long-term projects with detailed resource management, budget tracking, and advanced scheduling. It's the tool you'd use to build a skyscraper, not to plan a marketing campaign. While it has some overlapping features, its complexity and steeper learning curve make it a less direct comparison to the user-friendly, collaborative nature of Asana. Planner is the tool that offers that sweet spot of visual appeal, ease of use, and collaborative power that Asana users love. So, if you're looking for a Microsoft tool that feels like Asana, start with Planner. Explore its different views, the board, the timeline, the calendar. See how it integrates with Teams, To-Do, and Outlook. And for those who need to push the boundaries, dig into Power Automate to build custom workflows. You'll find that Microsoft has built a powerful, flexible, and deeply integrated solution that gives you the best of what you love about Asana, all within the ecosystem you already use. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.